Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Arking Tidor. Today I will discuss about think, pair, and share. Okay, in your own understanding, what is think, pair, and share? Yes. Okay, when we see think, pair, and share is a cooperative learning strategy to encourage active participation and critical thinking among students. Gets? Okay. Okay, first, think. When we say think, the teacher poses a question or a problem, and the student take a few minutes to think for their individual response. Understood? Okay. Okay, next is pair. The student pair with their classmate and share their ideas and thoughts. This allow them to understand. This allow them to articulate understanding and listen to their individual perspective and refine their thinking. And up, okay, next is share. Okay, the student and make a whole group and discuss their thoughts and ideas. Okay, after this sharing their ideas and thoughts, the teacher will select a pair to discuss to share their discussion and conclusion. These tips allow to the student with whole class learning and clarification of concept and also addressing misconception. Okay. Gets? Okay. Using think, pair, and share in a classroom. Describe the strategy and its purpose to your student and provide guidelines for discussion that will take place. Explain to your student that they will. Okay. First, think individually about the topic and answer the question. Okay, what I said earlier. Next is pair with your partner and discuss your topic and discussion. Last is share your ideas with the rest of the class. But okay, that is the mechanics of the think, pair, and share. So, as a teacher, you need to monitor and give advice to your student if they have not followed the instruction. Now, we will proceed to advantage of think, pair, and share. Okay, total involvement and highly collaborative. Yes, of course. Either, no, because introvert person can engage in this game. Next is generate a lot of ideas quickly. Yes, correct. Small group can have quality discussion. Yes, highly inclusive to all member. No left behind. So this is the advantage of think, pair, and share. Okay, the disadvantage is can be noisy because of noise may lose control of the class. Yes, correct. Puts time pressure on some. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of think, pair, and share. Okay, alright, class. Okay, class, thank you for listening. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening, class, and goodbye. I hope you have learned for today's discussion.